We have given diagram, and first we have to give another name for plane A. This is our plane A. First, what is plane? Plane has two dimensions. It is represented by a shape that looks like a wall or a floor, but it extends without end. Through any 3 points not on the same line, there is exactly one plane. We can use 3 points that are not on the same line to name a plane. So in our example, our plane A, we can name by, for example, E, F, I, because these 3 points are not in the same line. So the solution for A will be, first we can write E, F, I, this is name for our plane A, or we can write E, H, I, because these 3 points are not in the same line. Next, we have to give 2 other names for GF. We can use any 2 points on line to name it. In this example, our line GF can be named FG. We can use above arrows, or this is our line O. We have lowercase o. Next, we have to name a point that is not coplanar with E, H, and I. What is mean coplanar first? Coplanar points are points that lie in the same plane. So in this diagram, only point G is not in the same plane. So the answer will be point G. So next, we have to name 3 points that are collinear. Then name a 4th point that is not collinear with these 3 points. So first, what it means collinear. Collinear points are points that lie on the same line. Points which are on the same line are E, F, and H. So we have and now we have to name the 4th point that is not collinear with these 3 points. So this point is I. This point is not collinear with E, F, H, because E, F, H lie on the same line and I not. So the answer will be I, point I. This is my solution.